Don't get me wrong, it's absolutely fantastic having your own studio to work from. But let's face it, like anywhere, it can end up looking a little bit like a tip. So I've got some students coming at the weekend, so it's really time to clean the studio up and get it shipshape and looking its best. So we've got the studio all clean and tidy, ready for our very first glass painting taster day of 2023. Really excited to meet everybody, and I thought I'd give you a very quick studio tour just as we start the day. So this is my downstairs demonstration area where I demonstrate some of the glass painting techniques that we use on our course. There's usually about 5 or 6 students per day that come to the course. This is the glass rack, which has got glass I'm keeping for decades, waiting for the perfect project to use. Our LED store, where we have all the different size LEDs, and this is one of the areas that I do glass painting on. It's a north-facing window and it's really great for painting. This is the glass racks that the students use when they're designing and making their very first stained glass window. This north face light is really useful. It's an even light throughout the course of the day, and it's an area that I use to display pieces when I'm not making windows. These are some of my other sample panels that I've collected over the years. It's a beautiful conserved window, and other windows that I've collected. This is from a friend of mine who made this lovely little jelly bean man window. So let's take you upstairs, show you what the upstairs studio looks like. This used to be our Victorian reading room. So we did a lot of conversion and put extra windows in and built extra parts to it, and it's a really useful space upstairs now where I shoot my videos for the YouTube channel, and we do all of our painting tutorials up here. The students are up here with workstations where they are sampling painting. They may not have done painted work before. This is one of the light tables that we use, and I've got a video actually showing you how to make these light tables. They're really easy to make and they're really useful bits of kit. And then we have a larger light table as well, and there are up to 3 people on this light table doing painting work as well. It's an older light table with fluorescent lighting in it, and of course it gets really quite hot through the course of the day. They're not really as good as the LED ones. And this is part of my paint store, all the various paints and stains and potions and lotions that I use when I'm painting glass and doing demonstration videos. This is one of my kilns. It's the gas kiln. Unfortunately, gas kilns aren't made anymore, so they're really hard to get hold of. I have a fusing kiln here, the electric kiln, which most of us will have electric kilns, and this is again one of the painting areas, again a north-facing light that's really useful to paint on. And my library, this is one of my libraries. I've got in the house, I've got a larger library of other books, but most of the glass artists will recognize some of the books there. One of my work areas that I work at, and then my computer, using that microphone there as well. So that's really a quick studio tour of the space. It's a great space, but like everywhere, it always ends up getting full. But the best part is when the students arrive and we can actually get down to painting. Some of these students have painted before, they are experienced glass artists, and others are coming to the medium for the very first time.
But it's been really interesting, like mark making, like different textures, effects that I wouldn't have come in with that expectation that I want to create that effect, but it was allowing the medium to sort of speak and what the possibilities were, and obviously with your expertise being able to show lots of techniques and approaches that I'd never tried before. I found it really challenging but interesting.
It's the first time that I've done glass painting, but I always wanted to sort of give it a go, and I follow you on Instagram, and been always fascinated by the possibilities which can be achieved with glass painting. It's so versatile, it's such an amazing medium, so it's been quite an eye-opener doing that course today.
And remember to register for online courses which will be coming out later this year. See you soon. Bye for now.